Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use zoom on your HP Victus 16. So we can actually go to the settings to make sure that the magnifier is on. So let's go to settings, then accessibility, and now we can go to magnifier and you can turn it on or off like that and change the zoom level and all of that, but most probably you will prefer to do it with a keyboard shortcut. So you can just click on the Windows logo key and the plus sign at the same time to turn the magnifier on. Then if you click on the Windows plus again, it'll zoom in and so on, or you can zoom out the same way but with the minus key. Then you can also click on Windows and Escape to turn the magnifier off. And this is basically everything. You can also click on Ctrl and Alt and rotate your mouse wheel, or just use two fingers to swipe across. No, it won't work. So if you have an external mouse, it will work by Ctrl Alt and the mouse wheel to zoom in or out, though I prefer to use the Windows and plus personally. Also, it'll follow your cursor, so you don't need to worry about it. The cursor will be followed all the time. And here it'll also open this toolbar where you can reset zoom to fit screen. You can also play or pause some reading on the screen. You can start reading from here, so you can just read something that's on the screen, or adjust a few settings like the speed of the reading out loud and the voice as well. Or you can just close the magnifier. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.